Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to talk to you guys about dips and preservatives. So generally when it comes to breakfast, bread and jam are like the classic breakfast dishes and they are probably the most common things that you will find in almost any household. But till date, jams that we consume at home are bought from the store and that is something that I move away from. I try and make everything at home from scratch, made fresh in my own kitchen so that I can keep up with the hygiene levels. So today I'm going to be doing a jam recipe for you guys. It's basically a jam slash preservative for you guys to use on toast and something like that. So I'm going to be doing a date and an almond jam that is going to have some hints of cinnamon. So dates are very good for making jams because of the natural sweet content, natural sugar content that they have. So you don't really need to add much more sugar to it and it works really well in jam form. And since it's gonna be so much more than just a jam for your toast, you can use it as a cheese platter condiment, you can use it with cheese crackers, you can use it with toast, you can use it with biscuits, anything that you like. So let's check out this recipe.